For this look, I am using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's Red Licorice, Holo Taco's Orange Drink, Holo Taco's Lemon Sucker, Holo Taco's Green Taffy, Holo Taco's Blue Freezy, Holo Taco's Purple Slushy, Maniology's BAM White B170, Maniology Stamping Plate M298, Holo Taco's Electrostatic, a dotting tool, also from Holo Taco, and Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco. We'll start by applying a base coat to give our nail polish maximum adherence to our nail plate. Then I'm going to use two colors to stripe the nail, starting with purple and blue, wiping the brush off on my silicone mat between colors. Next up, it's blue to green. Then we're going to go green to yellow. Then yellow to orange. And I am purposefully using linear holographic nail polishes because I want maximum rainbows for Pride, and Holo Taco's OG Rainbow Collection has just wonderful linear holographic to them for that purpose. Finally, we're going to go orange to red to finish off that rainbow look across our nails. The next step is to stamp a white center stripe. I'm using the only plate I had with enough of a center stripe to it, but you can use any nail stamping plate or even try freehanding it to get that stripe down the center of the nails. Then I'm going to use a dotting tool picking up the electrostatic off of my mat to put the center dots on the nail. Finally, we're going to finish it off with a coat of Super Glossy Taco to seal in the manicure and give us the longest wear possible. Voila! There it is, your beautiful manicure that you can enjoy. Happy Pride, everybody!